Hey, it's Edge here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for SP500 with Elliott Wave Theory. Today's focus is going to be again here on the local time frame, and before that again we're going to be discussing the higher time frame counts. So I'm still here on 1 hour time frame, and this has been the count that we've been following, in which again we had this as an ABC, another ABC I think which was finished, and then we came down in 3 waves in here. We never got that 4th and 5th wave here, so again a 3-wave structure looks decent, and from there on out we had a very much more impulsive structure coming up. Now I don't think this is part of anything previous to it, so again to me this is a start of something new. What that means is that either this is a wave 1 or a wave A. To me again a bit more conservative at this point at first, so again I would be thinking that this could be the first or the wave A until proven otherwise. So what at the moment am I looking for here is some kind of retracement overall. Now we've had this trend line coming down and we did not test it yet again here, at least on 15 minute. Let's see the other higher time frames. 30 minute is a bit more downslope and it looks really decent here. And yeah, in my opinion again we are looking for some kind of downward move that corrects this whole thing here, and then we can get another partner leg upwards at least. So again that would be my bias. How we're going to be getting down I'm not quite sure, but again these are some of the key interesting areas. We sure have some liquidity down here, which we probably are going to be targeting. 32, the first one, our first area I would be really interested in longing at least this kind of time frame. Of course scalps you could be going in and out in there, but that's the case there. 5 minute time frame, we had the possibility of having this as coming down in 5 waves. Not quite sure how I would be labeling this. Maybe this is a 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 3 4 5, something like that. We have those divergences in here. This was very confusing to me. It did not really fit too well. We did tag the 0.5 right here, but never really got a really good looking structure in here, so I did not enter any kind of trades here. Overall again I'm still looking for this dump downwards, and there's not really much else into it. Yeah, once this structure builds out a bit more, then we can take a look at what kind of structures we are going to be expecting inside here, very much more locally. Maybe it is just going to be a 3-way structure like this and extending around here, looking for that 38.2 and going for long again here. And whether we're going to be getting a 3-way structure here like so, we could be looking for some kind of take profits in here. But yeah, those are the ideas here for SP500 that I'm looking for. The thing that I want to mention was Dow Jones, which again we had similar 5-way structure here. Never really had or this actually had a bit better, sorry, had a bit better 3-way structure going up. I did not play this either at that time, but again this had a bit better 3-way structure. The issue to me was that we did not even get to the 32 here either, so did not enter anything. Is it possible that this is just 3 waves looking for 3 down and then up? That is definitely a possibility, but I'm not quite sure if this is any more related to this structure. So again in here not really sure how I would be wanting to play this one. On both S&P 500 and Dow this seems kind of impulsive. Here on Dow, however, the extensions here, if compared, we can see that we tagged the 1-to-1 pretty much perfectly here, which kind of makes me doubt if this is a 5-wave at all. On S&P 500 we don't get to that 1-to-1 anywhere close, but we do tag the 0.618 here, so not the perfect 5-wave move. However, there is some potential at least there. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm still interested in going long here. How does that fit into the idea that we would be climbing higher on Dow? I'm not quite sure, because overall I thought that this was a 5-way move here, and if this is indeed a 5-way move already, this means that this structure here already corrected this here, which is it is very small. We did not even tag the 38.2. It is in 3 waves, but it would fit kind of well that this was in 3 waves and then we would create a structure like that. At that point I doubt that the S&P 500 is going to hold its own low here of the 27th of April or 26th, and yeah, most likely taking liquidity here and then going up. But yeah, overall I'm bullish on the indices. Whether we are going to be coming up from these highs, these highs here, let me zoom in, from here or from here, I'm not sure, but both are possible. Dow Jones is saying that I think we should be a bit more reasonable and wait for the price to come down here before looking for entries to the long side, but we'll see. Maybe those are just scalps and we can get out of them later on, but if this just comes down very fast like so, then there's not really an area even for us to look for here. But yeah, I think those are going to be the ideas that I'm going to go with for today and this week. Again, multiple different events coming up this week, so make sure to stay in touch with those. Even though you wouldn't care about those, just make sure that you know when they are at least happening, because those events are introducing a lot of volume into the market, which are again affecting price quite much. But that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Again, if you want to educate yourself, check out the following advertisements. Bye-bye. Here, Patreon Elliott Wave Basics course, weekly live streams and more Elliott Wave analysis. Udemy Elliott Wave Advanced course, including RSI, risk management, Elliott Wave strategies and time analysis, and counter trend capital, trade setups, education and community. Check us out if you're interested in learning more.